everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting module which is nothing but our certification maintenance for winter 25. So not only for this, all our certification maintenance video are out in our channel. Do check that. And now let's take up our first challenge. So I'm just going to directly mark up the answers. And now let's check this quiz now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge, and now let's take up our second challenge, which is get answer with an iterable variable in for loops. Let's scroll down and click on launch. So here I'm just going to click on our gear icon followed by developer console. So I'm going to provide this code in our command section. You can find that in our pinned comment. So let's create our Apex class. So for that I'm just going to click on file, new, followed by Apex class. Let's give name and now click on OK. And now we are just going to paste this. So I'm going to select this code and replace it. So followed by test class. So for that click on file, new, Apex class again. Let's give name for our test class, so which is right over here. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Click on OK. And I'm just going to copy the code. Copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, I'm just going to click on save. So now let's click on test and run all. So our run is success. And now let's click on test followed by new run. So here I'm going to select my iterable test. So once if it is done, let's click on this and now click on run. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our platform developer 1 certification maintenance for winter 25. So remaining all maintenance module for winter 25 will be available in our channel. Do check that. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.